There go the eggs inside there. Those little white things, them are the eggs that the flowers make. The white things are eggs.
You need some help?
I got it.
Okay.
This is the style. The stigma. I had lost the stigma. There you go. That's the stigma right there. The style, ovary. Those small white things inside there are the eggs. Those are the filaments. Those are the stamens. Those are the anthers. Anthers are the male reproductions. Those are pollen. The yellow stuff are pollen. Those are called anthers, though. That's the stem right there. Those are petals. They are the inside flower. And the sepals. The sepals protect the petals. And this is my dissection parts of a flower.